Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Taotronics product review. So I received this Taotronics lamp and I will put everything down on the description below of where you can get it. And oh my goodness, you guys, I love this product. Oh my goodness. So I received this about, let's see, today, about 5 days ago already. And I wanted to test it before I actually give my honest review and see if I liked it. So I will put a video on the unboxing, a quick video, probably somewhere right here. And as you guys could see, I had to, when you pull it out of the box, you have to pick it up out of the vase. And the only reason it's because the base is really heavy. See, so this lamp can actually, you can move it so many ways like this. Can you guys see that? Look at you guys. You guys can move it up, down. When I received it, it was all the way like this. Okay, this is how I received it, all the way up. There you go. You can move it this way, that way. So when you are recording or you have video, you can move it so many ways, or if it's in your way at that moment, you can move it out of your way. So that's how you use this. The base right here, this can actually move all the way down here. Look at you guys, see? See, this can move all the way up to there and all the way down like this. So, oh my goodness, so awesome. Anyways, so this right here can also move all the way over here. And excuse if you see my arms, I am trying to hold this so that way you guys could see what I'm talking about. You can move it this way at a 45-degree angle, and there you go. So let me go ahead and put it back up and up. Okay, so let me go ahead and so you guys could see. So when I got this, it was a little scary because I was like, oh my goodness, how do I work this? So it actually has a little template right here. It is a removable template, and it gives you the directions of what the buttons are used for. Sorry, you guys. What the buttons are used for, and it gives you like the auto brightness, 60-minute auto timer off, night light, the illuminating angle. So basically what it does, the lightning on your light goes up or down, the brightness adjustment, and the color temperature adjustment. So basically you can have it a cool light or a darker light. And let me show you how this works. So you basically, what you do, I put that back in here, you turn it on as you just push the button. It is on the illuminating angle, and let me show you how this works. So I don't know if you guys could see, the angle is moving that way, all the way down that way, and now it's going to move towards you. So I do apologize if this blinds you. There you go. It's moving this way now. Now the brightness adjustment, let me go ahead and show you. So it's going to go from dim to bright. And then the color temperature, it's going to go from like a LED light to a yellow light, a darker dim light right there as well. Now the auto brightness, it is, you can actually say, there you go. So whenever you say you want it a certain way, you can actually program it that way. And then it also has a 60-minute timer, and it has a night light. So that right there is the night light. You will see that it is a dim light. So there you go. This is what this product shows. And then what I also love about this, it actually has a port in the back, so you can actually plug in your electrical devices and charge them when you are doing a recording or something. So it has a portable charger on the back, and I will insert a picture of that somewhere down here. And let me go ahead and turn this on. So this is an amazing product. I actually do love it. It is amazing. It does so much. And I will link them down on the description below. So you guys, I might be able to earn a small commission from this. So I will link the information down on the description below. Don't forget to put in the code that I put on there in case you order not only this or maybe any other product that you might see on their website. They have amazing products, so please go over, check them out. You know, like I said, I might earn a small commission from any of your purchases. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch Taotronics. Thank you again. I am loving this lamp. It is an amazing lamp. Oh my goodness. So anyways, we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.